If your open rate is low, it's likely that your subject lines are not intriguing enough. In other words, you are not capturing your prospect's attention. Here, I will show you how to write great subject lines that will boost your open rate and give you more chances to actually engage with your prospects. Let's dive right into it.
The goal of your subject line is to stand out, to intrigue your prospect. And it's important because it's the first text that they will read from you. So, keep it short and personalize it. For example, we like subject lines like first name x your name, which allows you to connect, partnership with company name, for example if you want to use the company name instead, or coffee first name ? As this would be something you would use when you want to connect or catch up with someone. Let's compare two subject line formats now. These are examples that I have actually received. On one hand, we have subject lines like introduction of our consulting service, or we make recruitment easy for companies like company name. On the other hand, we have subject lines like meet next week ? Question first name. The first ones are unfortunately not personalized, long, and salesy. Even if the second one has company name, it is just salesy because it's a pitch, where the other subject lines are personalized, short and snappy, and connecting as they convey a message to connect.
Now that you have a better idea of how to structure your subject lines to avoid being salesy or generic, I have also included in the description of this video a free link where you can download 10 great subject lines you can try for yourself. Let me know in the comment section what subject lines stood up for you, or feel free to suggest any of your favorite subject lines that other viewers could also use. Next up, we will look at the intro lines.